Hello guys, welcome back again. This tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to actually add colors. So now we want to create a new design. We go here, click on create a design, and then we need to select what kind of design we want. Document, whiteboard, presentation, social media. I would say I will go for like social media. I will click on it, and then we want to select what kind of template we want to use for the social media. Um, let's say we select this, and then now let's add another color for the background. We want to use like maybe yellow color or white. We can actually select from this, and then we pick the color. This is not really white, but let's say I click here, and then for the color code of white we can type in FFF FFF. Yeah, this is white. I think so. Oh, yeah, this is white. Yeah, and then so for this one, I will change the color for the icon because I can't really see. So maybe we change to green and we put this, yeah, green, and these two green. Yeah, basic much, yeah. And then this, we can actually leave it that way. If we want to change the font, we just come here, select front, and which front do we want? Let's say display, this. No, I think I will leave it. Yeah, this is okay, and this one too. Yeah, we can actually adjust the text font, so the text font can be adjusted to this. Yeah, so yeah, and then this one, I think I change this color to green as well, and then we choose here, and then yeah. So you can actually change the shadow. There's a shadow for this. We can change the shadow. We click here, and then we select text. And wait a minute. I think. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. I think here. Oh yeah. The shadow color. We need to change the effect. Yeah, this is where the shadow color is for the effect. So you can see the shadow. We can actually change this, the normal one, or yeah, we leave for the shadow, and then you can see the color. We can change the color here to like white, black, and the black is okay. I think so. And yeah, so that is it. So that is this for this. And then when we want to like actually download for the download the image, we can actually then click on share, and then we click on download, and now we select which format we want, which file type. PNG, we have JPG, PNG, PFD, PDF, standard PDF for printing. This is for printing. This is best for printing. So if you want to print, you go with PDF print. And SVG for like web design and animation. And this is under Pro. If I select, I'm currently on Pro. If I select, it's going to work because I'm on Pro. So if you want something like this, you need to go on the Pro version. And yeah, and we have the MP4 for the video, GIF. Then this is Microsoft Point. So I will just go for like PNG, and then you click the size. If you want the size to be like quality enough, you can increase. And note this is for also for Pro. So you click on download, and then it should be processing for a moment. Yeah, you just hold on, and then you can see it gives you tip for Instagram, the Instagram normal post, and like for the landscape, and then for Twitter. So nice downloaded. So you can actually open. I'll go ahead and open the file, and you can see as PDF format. So this is really good because the quality is pretty good and it's good for design, which is a very good thing for thanks to Canva. So now there's another one we can do. We can actually do animation if you want. So we can use template that already have animation if you don't want to spend much time. So here we go, and then animation. Yeah, and then you select what kind of which type of animation you want. We just hold on, you have to keep loading. So there are various type of animation. So, but honestly, yeah, this you can actually play here, and then you see which one you want more. We have various type, and this is another one. This is another one. You just have to find to your taste. I would go for um I think this is okay. Yeah, you can see this is really nice. Most of the time people use this for advertisement, Facebook ads, Instagram posts, and you can see it has play if you play, and then you can see it plays and everything. So here you can actually adjust, and we can adjust the ammunition we want to what kind of ammunition we want, and when we come for the ammunition we just go on this amnit, you select which one you want, how you want it. Maybe it comes, you see, this way, or maybe it comes this way. I will go for this post ammunition, and then for this you can see pop, swipe, blur, fade. Maybe we leave it as pop. Pop is better. And for this, same thing with pop. And for this image, we can also change the image. Like I said in the previous video, we can go first. We first upload the file. You look for the picture. You place the image and drag here. You should be able to. First of all, and secondly, you need like background. You can actually remove the background. We click and we have the digit remover. You select, it's going to remove automatically um, the background for the image. So all these commands, as you can see, it's already cranked. It's for Pro. It's only available if you're a Pro user on Canva. So if you want to get the Pro version, you need to upgrade, subscribe, and then every month you get a Pro. So let's say this. Let's say update on exist, but yeah. So this is okay. So once we are done, we can change color if you want to change color. But pretty much, I love this color. This is very nice. But let's say if you want to edit anything, you can come edit all children these days. And one more thing, you can see the plane is actually behind the image. How do we do that? We can go select the play, or you select the image. Anyone is fine. Or you select the image, you see more, and then you see layers. The layers is actually where you want, if you want it to be forward, be in front, backward. Let's try with the backward. We send it backward. You can see the plane is actually in front of the image, but we want the image to be in front of the plane. So we like what we say, layer, then move forward. Simple as that. So how you want it to be adjusted, you can play around with that, and yeah. And same thing now, if you want to download this, you go on share, click download, and then it's already suggested for you MP4. So which is good. And you can select short clips like GIF. You can also download that. But the best version is MP4, and then you can actually add music to it as well. So I would just download here, and then click on download. We'll wait for it to process. It will take a little bit of time because it's on video. Uh, just hold on. So on the next video, we'll be learning there's something we're going to learn about markups. Markups design, which is very good for like phone markup, template markups, for laptop markup for your design and everything. Which we're going to learn that in the next episode, next course. So you can see this getting downloaded. Again, you can open the file. It's going to play praying mice, so you can see. So which is very good, honestly. You see, so simple. So thanks again. In the next episode, we're going to know about markups.